Hello everybody, welcome back. Paulie here, Slaughter Food Creations. Got a great recipe for you. It is my avocado cream, great on tacos, burritos, fajitas, and even salad. So stay tuned, I'll show you what I do. Let's get started here. I've got avocado here, and you first of all start by selecting them, not too soft but not too hard either, so you'll know when you feel it. But anyway, we'll start like so. And you can also see where it's slightly still green. So on the top there, when you take that thing off there, off the top, just cut around like so, twist, and out like that. And we'll go ahead and get these in our bowl here. Once we have our avocado scooped out, I go in with some freshly squeezed lime juice to help keep it from oxidizing and browning on me. So we'll just go like that. I'll have all the amounts and ingredients in the description box below. But we got our lime juice in there. So then what we'll do is we'll start this with a fork, by smashing these with a fork, but we'll finish with a hand mixer, or you could use like a KitchenAid mixer, something like that. But I just get it started like this first, and then go in with the mixer. But anyway, you see how it is there, just getting it started. Okay, you can see how I've got it blended up there. So far it's got a nice creamy texture to it, but it'll get even better as we go along here. So I'm going to go in at this point with a couple tablespoons here of Greek yogurt, and I'm using 2%. You can use whatever you like, but I use 2%. After getting our 2% Greek yogurt in there, I'm going to go in with a dash of heavy cream, like so. Get that mixed in. Okay, after getting our heavy cream whipped in there, I'm going to go in with our kosher salt, and that's going to be to taste, but I'll start off with a pinch or so. And then I have all of my other spices here, and I'll show you what those are. So we'll go ahead and go in with those, like so. We've got white pepper, onion, garlic, chili powder, cumin, and coriander. But we'll get that mixed in. Alright, after you get everything mixed in, there it is. Our avocado cream, great with tacos, burritos, whatever you want to use it for, on salad. But anyway, that's what I do, and I love it. Salt to taste, and it's just where I like it. So stay tuned. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching Slaughter Food Creations.